what I have in this box here is the Puig 2017 CBR1000RR 5-blade winglet system. It's something that I've developed for all the superbikes that are currently out there, and I'm going to show you what's actually inside this box. So let's have a look inside. Again, as you can see, this is for the 2017-18 model. Let's open this thing up. And there's a lot of paper which we don't need. So we've got this. Another bubble wrap here. So what do we have in here? So these look like the actual winglets themselves. Just open one of these. Yep. As you can see, nice little shiny winglet itself. And same with the other one. Also, here. Different coloured winglets that you can actually apply to this thing. So you've got black ones and you've got sort of red ones as well. There's another one. What else is in this box? And again, here you can see it's all made for the CBR1000RR 5-blade of the current model. Okay, so I've got a few things here. Brackets that actually go onto the bike, left and right as well. More brackets. My God, more brackets. And looks like you have a whole lot of screws and bolts in here. And again, as you can see, it's all the small bits and pieces that are required. Let's move that out. Instructions, which I know you can get off the actual website itself. Fairly simple instructions to follow. And another set of instructions to complete the set. And also some information sheet around what's actually in here and how it looks on the bike, and also what sort of downforce it would generate at different speeds in kilometers per hour. So I hope that gives you an idea of what you get with the actual CBR1000RR winglet set. And again, this one here is the other winglet as well, so you do get two winglets for either side of the bike. Check that out. Again, that's the bottom side. This is the actual top side. Ooh, what's this? Information here, oh, right. And it does say, for show and track use purposes only. So what I'm going to do is something different with these. I'm going to carbon fiber wrap the winglet and the side panels as well and install them onto my bike. Puig also has instructions on how to install it via video link to YouTube, and instructions as well. Once I've put it on, I will show you what it looks like on my bike.